Hello, this is Pooja Vyas. Today we will set up javafx. Let us see how to do that. First of all, you have to download JDK latest version and you have to set up java_home environment variable. So let us see how to do that. Go to environment variables, click on environment variables button. In that, I have already set my Java home variable, but you have to click on new button. You have to write java_home and you have to find the JDK folder. So in my case, it is in Java folder. I have downloaded my JDK 13 under my Java folder. Click on bin folder and copy this path. Then paste this path in variable value and click on OK. I have already set up my Java home variable, that's why I'll click cancel, but you have to click OK 3 times. So now next step is to download javafx SDK. So to download that, you have to go to this link and you have to download that javafx SDK. I have already downloaded my SDK and I have extracted that in the same folder to my JDK. Okay, so this is my SDK. In my SDK folder, you can see this lib folder. It contains all the jar files for javafx. So please remember this path. Now, third step is to create a new user library in Eclipse. So we have to create user library. For that, you have to go to Window, Preferences, Java, Build Path, User Libraries, and then you have to click New User Library. Let us see how to do that. In Eclipse, click on Windows Preferences. In Preferences, just find Java. Under Java, locate Build Path. Under Build Path, you will see User Libraries. You have to click on New. You can write any name for your user library. So I have taken this javafx 13. Click on OK. So now we have to add jar files under lib folder we had seen. Add external jars and you have to select all the jar files from our SDK folder. So go to your SDK folder, lib folder, and click on all the jar files. Click on open. Okay, so these are all the jar files of your javafx. As you can see, it has extracted all other information from jar files. So here I have already created my user library for javafx. So I'll remove this one, but you can add user library like this. Apply and close. So the next step after creating user library is to install EFXclipse plugin. You have to copy this link in order to download this plugin from this URL. So just copy this URL. We have to paste this URL under help install new software. So in Eclipse, go to help, install new software, click on add button, and under location just paste the link which we have copied. Okay, now we have to name our repository. So my plugin name is EFXclipse. Just name it as it is and click on add. you have to click all the check boxes and you have to click on next. Here next button is disabled because I have already downloaded my plugin and installed it. So you cannot see my buttons enabled, but you have to click on next and finish. Restart Eclipse after doing this. Now we will create a new javafx project. So click on new project. Now you can see this javafx after installing that plugin. Click on javafx project, click next. Okay, you can choose any project name as you want. I've taken javafx demo. Click on next. Okay, now we have to go to libraries tab. In libraries tab, we have to set our class path. In class path, we have to add our user library which we had created. So in add library, user library is already selected. Click on next. You will see this library. Click on next, but next button is disabled because I have already added this library in my class path. You have to do like this. So for now I'll close that. You will have to click next and finish. Okay, now we have created a javafx demo project. Go to source folder. In application package, locate main.java file, open that. Now this is the default file which comes in javafx package, and this is the basic javafx program which only have a stage, a simple stage, nothing else. So whenever we will run it, we will see a stage. Click on run. We will get this error over here. JavaFX runtime components are missing. Now to solve this error, we have to do the last step, that is to add virtual machine arguments. So to add virtual machine arguments, we have to go in run configurations and we have to add VM arguments in that configuration. The VM arguments are already mentioned in this PDF file in the last line, so you can copy that. So now go to main.java file, right click on that, locate run as, click on run configurations. Now in main1, go to the argument tab. Here VM arguments is empty. I have already created one JavaFX program. I will copy these arguments from here. Now one thing to notice is the path which is mentioned over here is the path of SDK lib folder. So you have to locate lib folder under your JavaFX SDK folder and you have to copy that path over here. Everything rest is as it is, so we will just copy this and we will paste this VM arguments in main1, that is our current program. Click on apply and run. Okay, so you can see this simple stage now. So you have successfully created your JavaFX application. I hope that is clear. All the best. Thank you for watching.